If you're preparing for your DMV road test in 2025, this video could save you from failing. These are 10 mistakes that instantly fail thousands of new drivers across the US every day. Even one of these can end your test on the spot. Let's go through them one by one so you don't make the same mistakes. Mistake 1. Rolling stops. One of the most common and easiest ways to fail is not coming to a complete stop. At stop signs or red lights, you must bring your vehicle to a full and complete stop behind the line or crosswalk. Many drivers do what's called a rolling stop, where the car slows down but never truly stops moving. It might seem harmless, but examiners are trained to look for this. Even if you check for traffic, if your wheels never fully stop, it's marked as a critical driving error in most states. Practice stopping smoothly and fully, count to 3, and then go when it's safe. Don't rush, it shows control. Mistake 2. Not checking blind spots. Mirrors don't show everything. That's why checking your blind spots is essential, and failing to do so is an automatic fail in many states. Before any lane change, merging onto a highway, or pulling away from the curb, you must physically turn your head to check. Many new drivers rely only on their mirrors, big mistake. Examiners want to see you glance over your shoulder to confirm it's clear. This proves you're aware of your surroundings and can handle real-world situations. Make it a habit during practice so it becomes second nature by test day. Mistake 3. Forgetting to signal, wait to lose points or fail. You should signal at least 100 feet before a turn or lane change. Late signals, forgetting to signal, or turning the signal off too early all create confusion and danger. Examiners are watching for consistent signaling habits throughout your test. Always check your mirrors, then signal, then make your move in that order. Practicing this sequence helps keep your driving smooth and predictable. Mistake 4. Turning into the wrong lane. When making a turn, especially left turns, many drivers drift into the wrong lane without even realizing it. After a left turn, you should end in the leftmost lane. After a right turn, the rightmost lane. Examiners will mark it as a serious error if you cross into multiple lanes during your turn. It's a sign of poor steering control and weak lane awareness. To avoid this, use your mirrors, slow down, and plan your turn ahead of time. Stay tight to your lane and keep both hands steady on the wheel. Mistake 5. Rolling back on a hill. If you're stopped at a red light or stop sign on a hill, and your car rolls backward even just a few inches, it can result in an automatic fail. It's more common in manual transmission cars, but even automatic cars can roll back slightly if you're not careful. To prevent this, use the handbrake or hill assist if available. Keep firm pressure on the brake pedal and transition smoothly to the gas when it's time to go. Practice hill starts ahead of time so you're confident and in control when it matters most. Mistake 6. Speeding or driving too slowly. Going too fast, even just 5 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, can fail you instantly. But here's what most don't realize. Driving too slowly can also cost you your license. Driving well below the speed limit when it's not necessary shows hesitation and can cause traffic buildup. Examiners are looking for confidence and flow, not nervous or robotic driving. Know the speed limit in the area and adjust appropriately for school zones, construction, or weather. Watch your speedometer often and make minor adjustments as needed. Mistake 7. Not using mirrors regularly. Using your mirrors only when you change lanes isn't enough. You should be scanning your mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds throughout your drive. This shows the examiner you're staying aware of what's around you, including cars, bikes, pedestrians, and emergency vehicles. Missing mirror checks leads to surprise hazards and is marked as poor observation. Practice mirror scanning at regular intervals during your lesson so it becomes automatic by test day. Mistake 8. Making wide or sharp turns. If you make a wide turn, you might swing into another lane, which is dangerous. If you make a sharp turn, you risk hitting the curb, crossing the center line, or cutting into oncoming traffic. Examiners want to see smooth, accurate turning with both hands on the wheel and good control. Practice slow turns with proper lane entry and exit. Look ahead into your turn and steer smoothly. Don't jerk or guess. Precision is key. Mistake 9. Hitting the curb while parking. During parallel or straight-in parking, hitting the curb is one of the most stressful moments for new drivers. Light contact might only lose a few points, but mounting the curb or hitting it hard can result in an instant fail. It shows poor depth perception and car control. Slow down, use your mirrors and backup camera if allowed, and park in one clean motion. If needed, correct once, but don't take too long. Practice until you feel calm doing it, especially in tight spaces. Mistake 10. Ignoring examiner instructions. If your examiner says, turn right at the next street, and you hesitate or do something else, it's an immediate red flag. Misunderstanding is fine, but ignoring instructions shows you're not ready. If you didn't hear clearly, calmly ask, can you please repeat that? That shows confidence and maturity. Don't guess, don't panic. Listen closely and respond promptly, just like real-world driving. That's it. The 10 most common mistakes that instantly fail drivers during the DMV road test. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of the game. Just remember, the DMV test isn't just about driving. It's about showing you're safe, confident, and aware behind the wheel. And most importantly, it's about consistency. You don't need to be perfect, but you do need to avoid critical errors, like the ones we just covered. So take your time, practice smart, and go into your test with a clear mind. Want extra help studying? We've created a full Driving TV Ultimate Study Guide with 100 DMV-style questions, printable worksheets, and a breakdown of exactly what to expect on test day. You can grab it right now using the link in the description. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you. Comment below and tell me which mistake shocked you the most. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got tons more videos coming to help you pass your test and drive with confidence in 2025 and beyond. Thanks for watching Driving TV and good luck on your test.